Hey, it's Kamori, and today we're going to talk about why to tag cosplay photos. The cosplay community is definitely growing and there's a lot more people who are getting started in cosplay, so I just wanted to take a moment to make a video about this particular aspect of cosplay etiquette. Now, I should start by saying that if your costume is sponsored, if it's the wig that's sponsored, contacts, the costume itself, be sure to disclose that. You can get in a lot of trouble if you are not disclosing the relationship you have with a company, if something is sponsored, or if you are doing some sort of paid review for them. Make sure to mention that wherever it's appropriate in whatever social media platform you're using. Just be sure to do that to save yourself trouble in the long run. And now that that is out of the way, number 2 is to tag anyone who is involved in the creation process of your costume. Tag the photographer. If there is anyone that is doing the editing for you, make sure to mention them. If you got any part of your costume commissioned, your wig, your costume itself, your prop, anything like that, be sure to mention who made it. Number 1, it is the right thing to do because you don't want to come off as taking credit for their hard work and coming off as pretending that you made that particular part of the costume when someone else did. And also a lot of photographers, commissioners, prop makers rely on word of mouth for business. So having their work out there and having their work be credited is a way for them to get more business and to sustain themselves. So it's something that is beneficial for all parties involved. And number 3 is expert mode tagging. This is a bit more optional, but if you are looking to grow your social media, grow your cosplay brand / presence, whatever, tag the source materials for your costume. You can tag the company that you got your base wig from. You can tag the pattern company, cosplay fabrics, anything like that. You can also tag the source materials, so say you did a costume from Overwatch, you can tag Blizzard. Just be careful not to go a little bit too spammy, because it is possible to do that, so don't use your best judgment on that. But it's one of those things that companies love seeing what is being made with their products and how their source material is being loved and represented. And one thing I should mention also is if you are tagging, say, a wig company, tag, if you remember, mention the style, say, oh, I used this wig in this color, and then that makes it easier for the company to reblog or retweet, whatever platform you're using, and that helps them to tag it as well. And it's something that helps both parties, again, if you are looking to get your name out there. So just a couple things to keep in mind regarding the social media aspect of cosplay. If there's anything else you would like to add on this subject, let me know in the comments below. And if there are any other topics you'd like to see me make a video about, let me know as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.